After I stopped doing this one thing, I instantly improved my skating. So here it is. What I stopped doing is this. I stopped stepping out while skating forward or backward. I stopped stepping outside of my body. I stopped stepping outside of my body. Here's my body. No, that's bad. When I step, I make sure I'm stepping underneath myself. For example, if I am skating forward, I am going to push and then step under my body. Push, step under my body. Let me go back. Push, step. Push, step. Push, step. Another way of saying that is push, step together. Feet are together. Push, step together. Push, step together. And back. Push left, step together. Push right, step together. Push left, step together. The way I used to skate, which is how I see a lot of beginners doing this, which is a big mistake, is to skate and instead of stepping together, they step out. And then they try to push the other way, and instead of stepping together, they step out. So essentially, they look like this when they're skating. They're just stepping out, out, out. And this looks interesting. If that's your style, I don't want to knock you, but I am just going to assume that the typical skater does not want to look like that. If you're like me, you don't want to look like that. Not only do I not want to look like that because that's just not my style, I don't want to be doing this because it's not as safe. You're not as stable. Think about it. In a way, you're leaping side to side. Think of it this way. Imagine you're wearing platform shoes. Would you rather jump from side to side while you're in those shoes? Or would it be easier to just step small steps directly in front of yourself, directly underneath your shoulders, underneath your body? Most likely, when you're walking in those platform shoes, you are not going to be balanced jumping side to side unless you're like, I don't know, super coordinated. So you need to stop stepping outside of yourself. Step under yourself, and you'll thank me later. I will say that this is much easier said than done, so you need to really practice stepping underneath yourself. Step in, push out, step in, out, step together, push, step together. Click right here for a tutorial of a couple different ways to get you moving initially from a standing position. And I'll see you at the rink.